Guys, I got papaya, noodles, chicken, and shrimp. New Year is eating and losing weight. But this is super good together. My mom made this yesterday, but I made the chicken and the shrimp today. I know we eat with our fingers, but I won't forget. This with papaya is good. See? New Year resolution is to work out, eat healthy. I know fried food's not healthy, but home cooked meals is always okay. The key to frying this chicken is soy sauce. But I fried it with olive oil. It's currently almost 4 o'clock. Starting off the New Year strong. The hit of spice. In Lao, we say bopet boset. If it's not spicy enough, it ain't good. Put Cajun seasoning in this one. Actually, fry the shrimp. I gotta fast again because I would do like 20-hour fast. Coffee calms down the spice.